Hi, welcome back to Knight's Home Farms. Today we had something exciting happen at the chicken coop. So let me turn the camera around and show you. Since we're building the garage and we had an electrician come to do all of that, we had him just pop out here and do some electrical in the coop as well. We had already bought everything that we needed to do this, but we were kind of unsure about it. So you can see there's some boxes and a light. So inside we've got two light switches, one for exterior lights, one for interior light. We have an electrical outlet here, and then outside we have actual electric lights now instead of a solar light. So this, I need to get different bulbs, but there's an actual electric light here and another one there, and then we put in an electrical outlet on the exterior here, and another electrical outlet on the exterior up there. So that's exciting. One thing we don't have to do, just check that off the list. It's pretty awesome. So it's turning out pretty good. Look at that. Like I said, I just have to get some different lights for those two lights, and they'll be back tomorrow to finish getting everything hooked up so that it actually has electric power from the solar system.